Now a severe thunderstorm warning for Kankakee. Wait, for Kankakee?
The National Weather Service in Chicago
Yep,
has
it
issued a
is.
severe thunderstorm
For
warning
Kankakee.
for Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Iroquois County and east central Illinois until 2:30
This is
p.m.
not for Ford County.
At 1:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sonneman to 9 miles northwest of Paxton to near Urbana, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Watseka, Momence, Gilman, Herscher, Clifton, Milford, Limestone, Onarga, St. Anne, Sheldon, Chebanse, Cissna Park, Ashkum, Aroma Park, Hopkins Park, Buckley, and Martintion. Including the following interstate, Interstate 57 between mile markers 264 and 319. This includes Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway, Kankakee River State Park, and Olivet Nazarene University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:30 p.m. for LaSalle and Grundy counties. At 1:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Granville to Tonka to 7 miles northeast of Cornell, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Streeter, Morris, Channahon, Minooka, Peru, LaSalle, Brady.